Today I want to talk to you guys if Amazon FBA is dead. Like, is it hard or impossible to even make money with Amazon? Like, a lot of people tend to have a negative thought when it comes to making money online for some reason, or maybe they think it's not true or possible. I'm here to talk to you guys because I've been selling on Amazon for like 7 to 8 years now. I'm losing count of how many years I've been selling. And I want to just be transparent with you guys of the numbers and the growth and potential that you can possibly be making with either selling on Amazon FBA, maybe selling products online, or one big thing that's popping off now is TikTok Shop, which is something that I'm going to look to expand to very soon. But selling on Amazon, amazing. It's an amazing opportunity, but you're always going to need to know the data, and you're going to have to do a couple of research tools in order to find out whether or not products are good to sell or not. So let me show you guys here really quick here why I think Amazon's still amazing. Personally, I'm doing pretty well with Amazon at the moment. You can see here as of last year in sales, 1.6 million in sales and $496,000 in net profit. And something that I like to do when it comes to teaching everybody when it comes to Amazon, you want to focus on that margin. That profit margin is what's really going to help you grow your Amazon business. It's so important to look at that profit margin. Ideally, what I like to do is aim for 35% or higher after all my expenses, product cost, advertising cost, shipping fees, all that. Your net profit should be 35% or higher. Last year was a bit lower because I had to liquidate a bunch of products. Yesterday did over $1,000 in net profit, and profit margin, what I'm aiming for is 41%. You know, the gross revenue here, 1.6 mil or 3,000, it's not really what I like to look at. I always like to look at the net profit because that's what's staying in my pocket. You know, sales is great, right? Sales is amazing, but what really stays and what really helps you grow and make money is net profit, right? So you want to have that profit margin 35% or higher. That's what's really going to help you expand and grow your Amazon business. Like, what I like to do and what I like to teach everybody when it comes to Amazon is that I like to tell people to aim for small products to sell that are not so competitive, right? What I like to teach is like, look for products that are going to bring you $250 to $300 net profit every day. And you know, you don't need that much capital to find a product like that. That's what I really like about Amazon. And then what you're going to do with that is that once you start making money from that product, you're going to expand and invest all that money into the second product. So now you have two products that are making $250 to $300. That's exactly what I did. I didn't have that much money to start up with, so everything I reinvested in the next product and the next one and the next one. Now you have a long-term Amazon FBA business. What I really like about Amazon, you're building a long-term business. So I do private label. This is what I like to do. Source products from China, you know, customize them a little bit, add my logo, my brand to it, and then ship it to Amazon's warehouse. So I have it from California, do a cargo shipment directly to California, and I really don't have to deal with any of the inventory in my household. Nothing like that. Amazon does all the hard work for me. I just need to make sure that my product is not so competitive that I can get it ranked on the first page, and that, you know, I can actually make money from the product. The margin's right. I know I can make it good, all that stuff. It does take a little bit of time to learn all this data in details, of course, but I really think that anybody can do this. I even have a free course for you guys if you want to check out how to sell on Amazon, literally for free. Nothing is needed with this course. You can literally start in 5 minutes from now. It's amazing. And I also have a more advanced course there where it teaches you like all my mistakes as well. So I like to be transparent with you guys as much as possible. The free course literally can start right away. Nothing is needed. And the advanced course, I'm charged $99 per month. I do think it's really valuable because it has all my mistakes and stuff. And there's a lot of people and gurus, you know, or whatever, charging like $2,000 for a course, which that's insane. Like, if you're starting up a business and stuff like that, you don't have that much money to start up with or anything like that. So I like to do it monthly, $99. That way, you know, you can finish it in a month and, you know, learn how to sell on Amazon and start making a lot of money online. It's really, really important. So what I have here is, let me show you guys here as well, the Helium-10. Helium-10 is like that software that allows you to find all the data and details when it comes to profit margin and growing an Amazon FBA business. So Amazon FBA, is it dead? Is it impossible to make money? I personally think that there's still opportunity when it comes to this. So what you would like to do is you would like to go on here. If you ever got Helium-10, if you want Helium-10, by the way, I have a link in the description as well to give you guys a discount code if you're serious about Helium-10 and want to grow like really serious with Amazon FBA. You can check that out. But how you're going to find products to start selling on Amazon is by Black Box, right? This tool here is what allowed me to find products that you know, are profitable and are not so competitive in the niche that I'm looking for. So what I like to do here, I'm going to go really brief here and just do this really fast here because I have another video on this topic as well. So let me just put the categories that I personally like, right? All right, now we're going to go number of sellers, 1 of 1. Price, I only like to sell products that are $18 or more because it's going to give us a lot more profit. Shipping size, I like to stick with these two because I don't like to sell anything that's really heavy. Fulfillment, FBA, fulfilled by Amazon, 3 pounds or less. Wait, max, I put that wrong. Max 3 pounds or less, right? And let's see, monthly sales at least 8,000, and let's put reviews for the reviews. Less than 500 reviews. Let's see what we get from here. So let's click search real quick. Let's see what we get. So this tool with Helium-10, you're able to see, you know, products that people are making monthly revenue of. This is how much they're making, right? And you get to see all the data and details. That's what I really like about Amazon. It gives you a bunch of, you know, things that you can potentially make money on. So let's click this one right here, right? This looks like it's curtains here, selling for $27. It's I'll probably pass on this because that looks like it's a very big seller. Let's see. I thought I put reviews at low. 500 reviews. Okay, let's keep looking. The dog products, I really like dog products because people tend to spend a ton of money on dogs products. 100, nope, I'm gonna pass on this one. So what I personally do with Amazon is that I search up a bunch of things like this. It will take some time to find some good products, but this is what's gonna really make you a ton of money. Look at this, pillowcases here. They're selling this for $30. The sales are really low on these. I think I messed up with this. Let me go back. I'm not sure why it's showing standard minimum price. Let's see. Oh, this is what I did. Review count. That's what I messed up on. Okay. Review count. Alright. Let's put max price, $50. Now let's see what we get. Yeah, that was really strange with that review count there. Okay. Now it looks like we got a little bit better stuff here. So let's just scroll one at a time. This is gift basket. Let's click this one here. This one's selling 50 units a month, only 71 reviews, which is pretty good. Let's see. Let's keep looking here. You can see the monthly revenue that they're making is pretty high here. All these are very, very high. Let's see. Oh, this is a good one. I already know. So these resistant bands are really, really cheap and they sell a ton. Wow, you can see here, look at the 30-day revenue. This person is making almost $900,000 in sales off just these bands. It is insane. But they only have 50 reviews. What we're gonna do really quick here is we're gonna put resistant bands here. We're gonna search this up here and see the niche, right? We want to start exploring with this like as much as we can. When it comes to product research and checking Amazon FBA and all that stuff, you want to make sure that you do a lot of research, right? So you can see here, like this one right here, they have 2,000 reviews, but they have 9,000 sales monthly at $27, right? So that is a good niche. Why? Because look, they're making over $300,000 with just selling resistant bands. Insane, over $300,000. So let's say you wanted to sell resistant bands very similar to this. You would go on alibaba.com. You would type in just those main keywords, right? And what I personally like to do is I like to contact these suppliers at nighttime. You would like to deal with suppliers that have been over on Alibaba for more than 5 years. That's what I like to do, and I like to contact them at nighttime because at nighttime is when they're usually working because we're in the opposite time zone. So we would do this here. We would sign in, click a live chat, have a conversation with them. You can even send them a picture of exactly what you're looking for. Maybe make a screenshot of this. Say, do you have this? At what product are you selling it for? Very fast and easy. And then, of course, you're going to have to go to a revenue calculator here. Let me show you guys how to do it really fast. So I like to go to Amazon FBA calculator, click search. I'm going to go to sellercentral.amazon.com. And this is how you can tell how much profit you'll be making per product, right? So let's go back to something like this here, right? We're going to go to the ASIN. The ASIN's in the bottom of the page. I know this is like a lot of information for somebody starting up and learning Amazon, but like in my course, I go step by step with you guys and show you guys exactly what to do. So I'm kind of all over the place in this video, so hopefully you're still following along, right? So we're going to click search here, and let's say the Alibaba supplier was selling this product to you for I would say you probably get this product for close to $3, and shipping costs probably be really cheap. I'll go with 50 cents, right? So net margin would be, let's say they offer $3 for this. You can see that they're selling them a lot cheaper here, but I just want to give an example here. Let's say they're charging $3, right? Shipping cost is 50 cents because we're doing cargo shipment. And yeah, net margin is 48%. Remember, I like to say 35% or higher is a good profit margin. Net profit, you'd be making $13 per unit. So let's say these people here, right? They're selling 9,000 units per month. They're making close to 100K in profit every year just off this one listing with Amazon. That's the potential you have with making money online. Like something like this is insane where you can make a ton of money. It's crazy to me. Like it's insane to me. So, I would really appreciate if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot. This channel is new, by the way, and it helps out if you hit that like button and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And if you have any questions regarding Amazon FBA, if you want to learn more or the whole process, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll help you guys out as much as I can. And yeah, the whole process does take some time to learn. I don't think Amazon is dead, and I do think you could be making a ton of money from it, but it takes a little bit of time to learn, and I'm here to help you guys out as much as I can. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.